Welcome to Flate's Engineering Technology Forum. Twice a year, Florida's community college engineering technology educators come together to innovate. For over 20 years, Flate has delivered value in connecting educators and industry from across the state of Florida and has met over 50 times across 26 colleges. Learn about emerging technology, workshops on best practices, and connect with industry trends to create a collective knowledge pool and valuable connections that help you grow your program across the state.
It is absolutely phenomenal. And what this is it brings all the state colleges together to understand the technology and connect them together to get information to bring back to their state colleges to help the students become bigger, stronger, better.
Join us at the next semi-annual gathering. Let's shape the future of engineering technology in Florida together. Scan the QR or visit the link in the description below to sign up for the next Engineering Technology Forum. We look forward to seeing you.